guys, good morning and welcome to Ghorpad Tales. We are in JIBHI and we are going to the river bank. This is where we are staying. That's our house and not our house, it's a hotel. That one, the green rooftop. And we're gonna go and stay in a tree house today. We are going to explore JIBHI, of course. We're going to go to Siloskar Lake. And right now, while the breakfast is getting ready, wow, we are going to explore this area a little bit. Wow, and there are some tents also. Look at that, guys. Wow, the banks. Someone's taking photo already. So we have to actually cross this bridge and go to the tree house. That we will do it tonight. Wow, look at that. Simply awesome. Enjoying the morning. Nishad! Nishad!
Hi!
Wow, guys. This is awesome. Good morning from JIBHI. Crew, say hi. Say hello. Everybody, look here.
And this is Nishad.
And this is Nishad. Hello. Actually, this is our homestay, not that one. Hey guys, good morning. I'm still in JIBHI and we are headed to Kasol. So we're just gonna we are waiting for our transport and enjoy our morning tea. Can you hear the river? I just want to show you. See the mountains so beautiful. I want to show you the spot. Hey, good. What?
Hey,
Shh. So I want to show you the river. I showed you the river. See, you can see those rooftops. Those are like homestays and hotels and stuff like that. You can see the water actually. I'm not sure if you can hear. came all the way down here, guys, to have tea, and I could not find, so I had to go the other way. This is beautiful. See from there. Not sure if you can see, but yeah, that's the light. There is obviously the water. And that's it. So beautiful. We have a lot of homestays here. There's a tree house somewhere, but I do not go. Let's explore the other side right after the tea. I want to show you that board. This is JIBHI. See how beautiful. Another doggy. I want to show you that green board. गुड मॉर्निंग. मैं आ रही हूँ जस्ट 2 मिनट. भाई साहब 2 मिनट में आ रही हूँ. वो बोर्ड का वीडियो लेके. See JIBHI. This is the name of this place. 1 kilometer. I want to show you that board. My God. I am huffing and puffing. It says, welcome to Himachal. Incredible India. Jalori bus stand. We went yesterday. Simla 174. There's some stores as well. And I want to show you this other side. Oh my god. Let's see. Guys, if you can see that over there, the three green rooftop, that's the tree house. But I didn't get chance and time to go there. But anyways, we are all packed up. Mir, what's our next destination? Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's our next destination?
So we are now going to Kullu for paragliding
Oh my god, awesome.
and then way back to the Kasol.
Okay, that's great. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello. Girls. Girls. Say hi. And that's our guide. And the guide forgot us and went for tea.
हम लोग का गड्डी बुला लो ना.
आप मैं बोल रही हूँ आप हमको भूल के चाय पीने गए.
No.
हाँ हाँ. He forgot us.